Welcome to Shiksha Maths Academy. Next, see the continuation of using LH rule. Okay, see the first question. Okay, so what is the given question here? Limit x tends to pi by 4 cot cube x minus tan x by cos of x plus pi by 4. Okay, first you have to substitute in this pi by 4 in this x place. So what you will get? Cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 value is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 by anything? 0. Okay. So in this case, what you have to apply the formula? LH rule. LH rule. Okay. In this question, now I am applying the LH rule. It's nothing but differentiation. Limit x tends to pi by 4. LH rule. Okay. Cot cube x is in the form of x power n formula, is in the form of x power n. So what is the formula of derivative of x power n? N into x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, here consider this 3 is nth. So 3 into cot square x. Again differentiate inner derivative of cot x, minus cosecant square x, inner derivative of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Okay. Next, see the second part. Minus derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x by, next, derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x, t by dx of derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Okay. So minus sin x. In this x plus pi by 4 is there. Again inner derivative of x also 1. Okay, x plus pi by 4. Now to substitute in this x plus pi by 4, we will get the answer. Okay, see here, limit x tends to pi by 4. X tends to pi by 4. In this x plus I am substituting pi by 4. Cot pi by 4, cot 45 value 1. So minus, I am writing minus here. So 3, this value is 1, cot pi by 4, cot 45 value is 1, and minus cosecant square x. In this minus I am writing here. So cosecant square x. Cosecant square x means cosecant pi by 4. Cosecant pi by 4 means reciprocal of sine. No, so sine pi by 4 value, that is sine 45. Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2, reciprocal of cosecant. So what you will get? Root 2 whole square. Minus, this is also secant square pi by 4. In this x place you have to substitute pi by 4. Secant pi by 4. Secant means 1 by cos, reciprocal of cos. So cos pi by 4, again 45. 45 means 1 by root 2. So root 2 whole square by minus sine of, in this x place I am also substituting pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 2 pi by 4. Okay, here square root gets cancelled, here also square root gets cancelled. That is equal to 3 2s are minus 6 minus 2 by minus sine of, here 2 pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, here 2 1s are 2 2s are minus 8 by, see here, minus sine 90 pi by 2, sine 90 value is 1, so minus minus gets cancelled, so this value is 8. Okay, so answer is fourth option. Okay, using L'Hospital rule, how can you solve this problem in 3 seconds? Okay, easy method. See the next question. Limit x tends to 0, x plus 2 sin x by square root of x square plus 2 sin x plus 1 minus sin square x minus x plus 1. See here, here also suppose you can substitute in this x plus 0, 0 plus here also sin 0, sin 0 value is 0, so total numerator value is 0, 0 by anything 0. In this case you have to use the L'Hospital rule. Okay, now I am applying the L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0. L'Hospital rule means it's nothing but differentiation. Okay, so differentiation, derivative of x 1 plus derivative of sin x 2, write as it is, derivative of sin x cos x. Okay, by, next, derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Okay, derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x 1 by 2 root x square plus 2 sin x plus 1 minus sine square x. Okay, see here, sine square inner derivative. See here, inner derivative of x square. This means 2x. Again plus 2 constant derivative of sin x means cos x plus 1. It becomes 0. Why? Because this is constant. Derivative of constant is 0. That's why this value is 0. Okay. Minus 1 by 2 root x sin square x minus x plus 1. Again inner derivative of sin square x. First 2 sin x. 2 sin x. Again derivative of sin x cos x minus 1. Okay. See here. Root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Inner derivative of this x square. Derivative of x square 2x. Derivative of 2 sin x. 2 write as it is. It's constant. So derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay. Next come to this term. Here also same formula 1 by 2 root x sin square x is in the form of x power n into x to the power of n minus 1. Okay, 2 sin x, inner derivative of sin x is cos x. Okay, you will get like this. Next, derivative of x minus 1, this value is constant, so 0. Okay, now you can substitute the x value. In this x place now I am substituting 0, you will get the answer. Okay, see here carefully, 1 plus 2 cos 0 value is 1 by, here 2 is taken as common, 0, this value is 0 plus cos 0 value is 2 by, so 2 into square root of this value is 0, this value is 0, this value is 1. X square 0, in this x place I am substituting 0, so this value is 0, sin 0 minus, see here, so this total value is 0. Why? Because sin 0 value is 0, so 1 into 0 into anything 0, minus 1 by 2 into this value is 0, this value is 0, this value is 1. Okay, that is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 by, see here, 2 gets cancelled, 1 by root 1 minus into minus plus 1 by 2, this value also 1, so 3 by 1 plus 1 by 2, this means 3 by 2, so 3 gets cancelled, so this answer is 2. Okay, simply you can solve using L'Hospital rule. It's very important for limits. Okay, see the continuation of third one. Limit x tends to 1 root pi minus 2 sin inverse of x by 1 minus x. Okay, here also we'll get 1 sin 91 become 0. So applying L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule means it's nothing but differentiation. Okay, see here, limit x tends to 1 constant. This constant value is 0 minus root 2 and take outside root 2. Next, sin inverse of x, derivative of see here, root x means 1 by 2 root x sin inverse of x into, again inner derivative of sin inverse of x. So what is the formula of d by dx? Derivative of sin inverse of x. Derivative of sin inverse of x formula is 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Now come to denominator. Denominator also is in the form of root x. Derivative of root x formula. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Okay, 1 by 2 root x 1 minus x. Okay, now simplification. Next, root 2, so 2 gets cancelled, minus 0 minus 1 minus x, that is equal to minus root 2 into 1 by 2 sine inverse of x. In this I am substituting 1. 1 means sine 90. Okay, sine 90. See here, limit x tends to 1, root 2, 1 by root x, 1 by 2 root x. Here 1 by root 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. This is also 1 by 2 root x. Again inner derivative of this 1 minus x. 1 derivative of 1 0. Derivative of minus x. This means minus 1. Okay. So this minus plus. Okay. Sine inverse of x. In this x place I am substituting 1. Sine inverse of 1. In that one place in that one place I am writing sine 90. Sine inverse of sine 90, it becomes pi by 2. Pi by 2. Okay. So see here, 1 by is in the form of a plus b into a minus a square minus b square. So this can be written as 1 plus x into 1 minus x by 1 by 2 into square root of 1 minus x. So this one gets cancelled. 1 plus 1 in this x place I am substituting 1. 1 plus 1 root 2. So this root 2 gets cancelled. So 2 gets cancelled. So our answer is 2 by root square root of 2 by pi. So answer is second option. Okay.